Checking through the evening hours, and we haven't had a new update since early evening on the spring pine fire in Bastrop County. But it was good news today to see that it went from 5% contained to 85% contained, basically because the weather was a lot more conducive than yesterday when we had explosive fire growth. So we're seeing some improvement here, and now we're watching as we're seeing improvement in the forecast fire danger as well. Tomorrow as well as Wednesday, still not great, but moderate to high fire danger. Thursday we will watch as a little bit more wind will mean we'll see slightly higher fire danger. All of our area under burn bans, and until we really see that bona fide spring green up, which is taking its time but happening, fire danger is going to be an issue. We also, obviously, need rain. And this week will be totally dry. Next week, a pattern change. I have my hopes set on at least some beneficial rain. 77 outside right now, high temperature 88 degrees, which is cooler than over the weekend when we saw 93 both Saturday and Sunday. 71 right now in Granger, 64, one of the cooler spots in Blanco. It's a really pleasant night. Now when you wake up in the morning, most areas dropping into the 50s, feeling fine. A weak front over our area, that's why it was slightly cooler today. That front lifts back to the north. That will usher in warmer/hotter air for the rest of the week. Tomorrow, I upped it to 89 for an afternoon high temperature. 92 is the record, so not quite there. But then as we work our way into the rest of the week, 90 on Thursday is going to be oh so close to the record of 91 degrees. But do you see what I see? Aha! A strong cold front on the way Friday evening. Behind it, we'll see northerly winds, lower humidity, cooler temperatures. Highs may only be in the upper 70s on Saturday. So if you've got plans to head out to MotoGP at Circuit of the Americas, you picked a good time to go. All right, the big ridge of high pressure is actually going to strengthen through the next couple of days, and that's why we'll see temps make their way into the 90-degree range. And then that next front coming through on a dry note will likely only cool us down temporarily, because we're right back up in the 80s as early as Sunday into Monday. Now, a week from tomorrow, next Tuesday, is the first day in a long time that I'll be putting in at least a small chance of rain.